Hi everyone, I'm Jorge. Welcome to my channel. I'm doing a 2021 investment challenge. I started with $150 in January. I'm going to be adding $50 every month, and my goal is to reach $1,000. So let's look at the markets for today. The Dow Jones was 22 points down. The S&P 500 was 5 points down, and the Nasdaq was 9 points down. So pretty much kind of like on the low end, not too bad. I actually lost. Well, I didn't lose. We're down $5.10. My balance is 167.13. So that means I'm up $17.13. So for our positions, SNPR plus, I lost. Well, again, it's down 77 cents today. CCIV plus is down $2.08, and APXTW is down $2.25. So like I said, you don't really lose that money unless you sell. But if we go to our actually profits overall, that's just for the day, the first day gains. So that's what happened today. But that's why you try to buy on the low end. See, right here it says SNPR plus, it's at 321, but I bought at 306. That means that overall I'm making $1.19. CCIV plus, it's at 913. I bought it at 684, so I'm making $8.57. So APXTW, it's at 433. I bought it at 397, so I'm making 737. So even though the market is down today, if you let's see all of them were down, I'm still making a profit over here. And like I said, unless you sell, that's when you either make profits or lose money. Otherwise, you just hold it. So for, let's talk about APXTW. It's at 397. No, 433. I'm sorry. 433 right now. So, I mean, it's getting pretty close to February. I'm hoping they announced a merger date already so we can see what it'll do. I'm hoping for at least 6 or 7. So, I mean, if somebody were to ask me what price they could go in, $4.40 and below. I wouldn't go if it's above that. We don't know what's it going to do when they announce a merger. It can go to 8, 9, 10, or it can just trade right here in the same spot. So it just depends on the hype, how many people start buying it once they announce the merger date. So for CCIV plus, right now it's at 913. The entry point, I guess, around 730 or below. Again, I wouldn't chase it. CCIV, there's rumors that they're going to merge with Lucid. Still nothing yet. We're waiting. So I wouldn't risk putting anything above 730 on that. For SNPR plus, it's at 321. I still think anywhere 315 and below, still a good entry point. Like I said, right after I sell out of APXTW, I'm going to put more money on SNPR plus. And I'm going to try to get it under 310 myself. But I mean, if you can start building a position around 315 and below. If we look at the chart, well, the overview, because the chart usually doesn't let you see it on the phone, on the app. See, I'll try a month now. So 5 days. It's going to be in trading around 370 and 321. We go to the overview. Right here on the middle of the screen towards the right, it tells you the high of the day. 370 was the high today, 316 was the low. So like I said, still under 315, it would be a good buy for that. So I wanted to mention something for today. So it was a red day, and the market is due for a correction, meaning that you're gonna see a big drop, like a 10% or so. Not in all the stocks, but some of them. So that's when it's important not to panic. Don't see it as a bad thing. Look at it as a good thing. Um, if we have money and there's a stock that goes 30% down or something like that, that's when you buy it and then you write it up. You don't want to buy on the high end because then there's a really good chance that it could drop. So whenever there's a pullback on the market, that's when let's look at the markets. See, today there were like the Dow Jones was only like 22. When you see about 300, 400, 600 points off the Dow Jones, that's when, like there's a good chance to buy some stocks. So you always try to buy like at the low end. Don't try to buy at like at the high end. If we look at, for example, BlackBerry right here, recently, I guess they announced they were gonna release a phone. So if we look like at the 3-month chart, they were trading. You see right here, they were trading like all the way down to like around $4 or $5. Then around December right here, they jumped to around $8. And then look at this big jump right here. It went from like $8 all the way to, let's go to 5-day chart, like all the way to 20. So before you buy a stock, kind of look at the chart, see what it does. When you see that big of a jump, I might as well just wait a little bit because usually it's due for a correction. You see, instead of buying it right here like at $20, could have bought it around 16. Just wait for a pullback. There's always a chance that it might kind of test this, but unlikely. Probably around 14 to 16 might be the pullback. So you can see right now it hit around 16, and then right here it's building some support, but this is like just a day. We don't know what's gonna do like tomorrow or next week. But that's one important thing to remember. If you want to buy a stock, just look at the chart real quick, and whenever you see this high jump, you might as well wait a little bit, see what it does. Like I said, from here it can probably go to 30. We don't know, but instead of buying it at 20, you could have bought it right here at 16, 17. It's just something to think about. Just always look at the chart. If you see a big jump, that's kind of something to think about. Same thing with GameStop. GameStop is going crazy right now. Yeah, you can make a lot of money, but look at this. It went like from $15 or $30 over here. Let's go to like a month. It went all the way to like 146. I think it even hit 200. But guess what's gonna happen? Most likely it's gonna trade back to like 70, 50, maybe even 40. So you don't want to be buying it at the very high end. So that's the fear of missing out. There's always gonna be another stock. You don't want to buy it at the high end and then having to wait maybe years or losing money overall. So we're waiting for news on APXTW again for the merger date. CCIV, we're waiting to see if they announce they might merge with Lucid. And SNPR Plus is a green power play that we're waiting for them to announce a company. I have hopes for SNPR Plus. Hopefully it'll reassemble something more like CCIV Plus, around $9, unlike APXTW. So thank you for watching. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. Invest at your own risk. And thank you for listening. See you next time.